Hey everyone, welcome to the microgreens course. Super excited to have you along, and I hope you get a ton of value out of this. I just made a few notes I wanted to go over after I finished editing all the footage, let you know a few things. First of all, just make sure you commit to the course, watch all the videos through, print out the resources, use them in your business, and I think you'll get a ton of value out of this. Start with the full tour, then move on to day one, go through all the days, download all the resources. A few notes I had here. The filming kind of made me screw up a bit here and there, doing things out of order and whatnot. And whenever I do that, I just let you know, oh, sorry, I did that wrong. I don't usually do it that way. I think it's just because I was thinking so much about the filming, it was hard for me to be thinking about what I was doing at the time. So I did that a couple times. I look like a dork plenty of times in the video, so just go easy on me there. It's really hard for me to have my mind in two places at once, but I think it all turned out really good. You'll see some slight adjustments to my grow schedule throughout the video. I'm glad you got to see that because it does happen on occasion. When it's really hot outside or really cold, the temperature can fluctuate. 10 degrees in here. I try to average it out about 80, but during the peak of the summer it can get close to 90 in here sometimes. During the winter it can get almost down to 70 in here. But I'll kick on the AC in the house a little more, or maybe put a little bit of supplemental heat in here in the winter if I need to. But that does happen on occasion, and when that happens I just adjust the weekly checklist a little bit, so I'll bump some seeding a day forward when it was really hot because the things just grow a little quicker. But your temperatures and conditions will be different than mine, probably by a little bit anyways, so just know that full cycle checklist, you might need to move things around a hair, bump them a day or two forward, or a day or two backwards, however you need that to be. Another challenge I kind of faced in creating that course is that it was sometimes tricky to keep myself in like a new learner's mindset and think of everything you might be thinking about when you're getting started. So I wonder if I might have missed some things, could have explained more, and my camera just died on a couple occasions where I forgot to push record, but I tried to explain all that stuff anyways. But after you go watch through all the videos, if you still have some questions or think something's missing, just ask in the Microgreens Mastermind Facebook group, not the Growing and Selling Microgreens group. I don't really get in there all that much anymore, it's just real busy, and the Microgreens Mastermind group is where I'll answer all the questions for the course, so make sure to register for that. I'll try and answer your questions as fast as I can, and if the course needs additional videos or supplement or something I think that'll be helpful for everyone, I'll try and add that, so feel free to ask your questions in there. That's about it. Yeah, I really just want this course to be as helpful as possible and let you see how my grow operation is just really systemized, and I don't spend a ton of time doing it. It's not a huge system, or it's not a huge business, so you could just kind of see how I'm trying to do things like the checklist and certain things to make it more efficient, and you could grow yours a lot bigger if you wanted to than me, but this is a good size for me to be able to do my other business and the rest of my urban farm. But hopefully you learn a few tips and tricks, and then you're able to become more efficient and get your business where you want it to be. So I really appreciate you purchasing the course again. Thank you so much, and enjoy.